To change your privacy settings, you first have to navigate to the bottom right corner where you see your profile menu and click on it. Then with this selected, continue to tap on these three lines on the top extreme right. Allow it a bit of moment to finish loading. A drop-up menu will appear with a list of options. So here you have a tons of flexibility to navigate which of the privacy settings you want to change. So when you scroll down a bit, you can see under who can see your content. So you have the option for account privacy. So when you click here, you have the option to either make it private or public. And when it's private, it means only followers that you approve to see what you share on Instagram will be allowed to see it. So you can decide to turn this on. Then navigate back and then continue to scroll down a bit until you locate how others can interact with you. So under messages and story reply, when you tap on it, you have the option to select how people can reach you, whether you want them to message requests or story replies, and who can see when you are online. So you can go through each and every one of this and tune it to the way that best suits you. Then after that, you will then navigate back again, and then under tags and mentions, you can also decide to change who can tag you or mention you in their posts, so that no random people will just be mentioning you on their posts. And then when you go back again and scroll down, you could see comments. So who can comment on your posts, whether it will be everyone or it will be only your followers or the people you follow. So you can tune in to each and every one of this to make sure that your account is intact and private. So when you scroll down again, you will have a tons of other options that your privacy settings is indeed in a perfect tune with your needs and preferences on Instagram. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.